Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello friends. Today we will learn counting from 1 to 10. Let's start together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's learn again 1 to 10 counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yay! We counted numbers from 1 to 10. Great job kids! Thank you kids! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Learn with YuviSharma for more fun videos.
Goodbye.